Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here from Team VRY, and today we are looking at several cases for the Samsung Galaxy S21, courtesy of the awesome people from Spigen. Now Spigen has sent us this nice looking package to unbox and review, and I'm just going to give my opinions about these cases for the Samsung Galaxy S21. Now in the past I've used different Spigen cases for some of my devices, and I'm pretty excited to check these out. Let's get started. Alright, so Spigen did send this pretty large box which is nice and minimalist, and yeah, let's open up this one. Okay, so we do have 4 Spigen cases here for the Samsung Galaxy S21, and we are going to take a look at each one of them. First up, we have the Spigen Thin Fit case for the Samsung Galaxy S21. Now, over the past couple of years, Spigen has modified their thin fit cases as they do come with an extra TPU lining around the case, which adds a bit of flexibility. The main part of the case is a matte polycarbonate shell, which features flexible rubberized edges, so you can easily pipe your phone into the case. Installing the case is pretty easy, and it is a rather slim case, so you won't have any trouble handling your device. The TPU wraps tightly around the edges, and of course you do have that nice matte finish, which helps with grip. Alright, so next up we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case, and as you can see we have the clear version here with us. Now the Ultra Hybrid case features a combination of a hard see-through back panel combined with TPU sides for flexibility, and this is ideal for protection against knocks and bumps. Now putting it on your Galaxy S21 is pretty easy. First you'll have to remove the protective film on the sides of the back panel, and once you're done with that, you can easily pipe your S21 into the Ultra Hybrid case. Now since it is a transparent case, you'll be able to see your device in all its Samsung-y goodness inside the case. Now it does have a glossy finish compared to the matte design on the Thin Fit from earlier, but if you prefer a case like this, then it will still be helpful against knocks and bumps. Now if you prefer a simpler design that will still give you protection for your device, then you might want to check out the Spigen Rugged Armor case. Unlike the first two cases, this one is made entirely out of TPU and is more flexible all over. The Rugged Armor case features the signature Spigen web pattern on the inside, as well as textured sides for a better grip. It's pretty light overall and doesn't add a lot of bulk to your device. Putting it on your phone is very easy because it is a flexible case and should provide enough protection to the sides and back of your phone. As with the other cases from earlier, it does provide the necessary cutouts for your device, as well as a lip around the display to prevent it from touching surfaces if you place it face down. Alright, so let's move on to what is probably my most favorite Spigen case, which is the Tough Armor case. I've used this a lot for my other devices as I do think it provides better grip and protection. The Spigen Tough Armor has a thicker appearance overall, and the inside of the case does feature foam inserts to add more padding and protection to your Galaxy S21. It is a two-piece case with an inner layer of TPU, which is flexible and tough, and a matte shell on the outside, which also features a kickstand. The outside is pretty tough and overall has an industrial look to it. Installing it on your phone is pretty simple as you simply pop it into the case. One issue that others may find is that it does add a bit of weight and bulk to your S21, but that's pretty much something to be expected with a case of this kind. I do like the rugged protection though, as I don't have to worry much about my device. Alright, so to sum things up, Spigen does offer a nice variety of cases for the Galaxy S21. And if you want a simple case, or if you're in the mood for more tough protection, then Spigen pretty much has you covered. Now we do have a lot more Spigen reviews on this channel, so do check them out. And once again, thanks for watching.